So in today's video, we're going to be looking at first principle of differentiation. So let's say y is equal to x squared and we're asked to differentiate this from first principle. Now to do this, what you simply do is add change in y to y. So I'll have y plus change in y. This is going to be equal to, do the same thing for x, you add x plus change in x. But since x here is squared, you simply what? Square this term. So what we need to do now is expand x plus change in x. So you're going to have y plus change in y is going to be equal to, if you expand x plus change in x, you're going to have x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x all squared. Now the next thing, since we're looking for dy over dx, you make change in y subject of the formula on the left hand side of the equation. So you simply transfer y to the other side of the equation. So you're going to have change in y is equal to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared minus y. So if y crosses over, it becomes minus. But you recall that earlier we said let y be what? X squared, right? So therefore you're going to have change in y is equal to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared minus y, but y is x squared, so you have minus x all squared. So from y is equal to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared minus x squared, what happens is x squared simply what? Cancels x squared, because I have x squared minus x squared, right? So I am left with y equals 2x change in x plus change in x all squared. So from here, this is change in y, please. Change in y. All right. So from here, you simply what? Divide through by change in x. So I have change in y all over change in x to be equal to 2x change in x all over change in x plus change in x squared all over change in x. So change in y all over change in x becomes, now from 2x change in x divides change in x cancels change in x. I am left with 2x plus over here change in x cancels one of this change in x. I am simply left with what? Change in x. Now it is important for you to know that the limit as change in x